In this video, we'll explain WD GANN percentages level. In the website AMD-FX.com, if we go to lessons, then to WD GANN percentage, you will find an explanation of WD GANN percentage. Started with the statement of WD GANN about the percentage, then explanation about the most important levels of percentage that you should watch and keep it in your chart all the time. When we are speaking about the percentage, we are speaking about the percentage of high and low prices. Of course, if it's coming from a major high or the historical high or low price, this is a very strong level that you should watch the price action around that level. GANN said that the most important resistance level is the 50% of any high or low price. Second in important is 100%, and you can use the 200, 300, and 400%. Third in importance is 25%, then 12.5, 6.25, and 33.33. Here we have we create a table of the percentage. Okay, and notice that WD GANN percentage level are divided by 2 to get the lower level, or multiply by 2 to get the higher percentage level as well. 100% by 2 divided by 2 is a 50%, 50% divided by 2 is a 25, 25 divided by 2 is 12.5, 33.33. You multiply by 2, you will get 66.66. So if we use that concept, we can have that percentage levels here, which is like the 300, 200, 100, 75%, you get 66.66, 50%, 33.33%, 25, and all here in that table you can use it. So the GANN percentages, it's more or less like angles, but angles is having a line movement with the time, price and time movement, but the percentage is taking the same concept of the calculation, but you are taking only the price. There is no time involved in the percentage. So if we take that and we use it in our chart, and here is an explanation of Australian dollar, and you can see here that from the major high, if you take the 12.5, which is one of the major GANN percentage, let's zoom in the chart. You can see here that 12.5 stop the market, then 16.66 stop the market, 25% stop the market, also 33.33 stop the market, 50% from that major high stop the market for a long time, and after that the major low created here was of that high 50%. So now this is just a simple explanation about the percentage. We can take the chart that we are using here for GBP EUD, and I marked here the highest high, the historical high in the chart, and we can use our indicator, GANN analysis indicator for MT4, and there is an option here. You can put only the percentage, one level, single percent, or you can put a full percentage. Full percentage, if you put it, you will get all the percentage for starting from 3.21 up to 100%. And we'll go to the daily chart and we see weekly chart. I need to download the data. 3.25, there is no reaction. 4.166, no reaction. 5% halfway. 6.25, no reaction. 8.33 was almost there. 10%, nothing. We have the 12.5 here, which stopped the market for few weeks. Then halfway between the 12.5 and 16.66 is 14.28571. There was no reaction. 12.5 here stopped the market. 18.75 give you the reaction here. Then you have the 25%. 25% is giving you this major low here. Then you have 28.571. 28.571 stop the market for 2 weeks. Then you have 33.33 stop the market 2 times at these levels. You have 37.5, there was no reaction. You have the 40%, which is the halfway between the 37 and the 50, no reaction. The 50% here give you the first reaction here for this low. And in the future you should be watching 62.60 and 62.5 and 66.66 in the future. So this is, once you have that high, you can have a future level that you can watch for resistance. Okay, if we follow the same from different, let's put it in a different color, and we take also the percentage, and we'll keep the full percentage to make it easy for everybody. From that major high as well, 3.5 and all that we will remove. You have 7.124, give you here the first reaction. 8.3 give you the reaction for 2 weeks. 10% there was nothing. 12.5 nothing. And you have here 14.285 stop the market for 1 week. And here you can see that from that high you have 18.75, and from that high you have 16.66. Both are overlapping almost in the same area, and it gives you the reaction at least for 2 weeks to the upside. Here you have the 18.75 give you the reaction for 2 weeks. You have the 25% coming from that high, give you the reaction here for at least 5 weeks. And here you have the 28.571 give you the reaction, sorry, so yes, 28.57 give you the reaction here. 33.33 gave the low down here. There was no reaction at this level or this level, but the 50% level give you an important low here in the market. And also you can keep and use the future levels in these levels for the future reaction. We keep moving, and I cannot take percentage from that high because it's this high already broke that level. So it's you need to take an percentage from a high or low as long the price did not break that level. Okay, we'll take a different color as well. We'll make it whatever the color, and from here we can put the same percentages as well. You can see here the 5% 1 week, and you have 6.25 nothing. Here overlapping, but it was broken immediately. Okay, here you can see that it's almost in the same area. You have here reaction for 1 week, nothing here, because these two low are next to each other, and it is very hard to find the resistance when you have the highs are very close to each other to anticipate the turning point in the future. But the most important here is the 50% give you this major low here from that high. And if you take only the 50%, let's put only 1% level here from that high, and we can go down, we can see that the 50% here give you the major low in the market till now. Okay, so this is just a small explanation, a simple explanation about the percentage from any high and any low. And you can see that sometimes the levels is overlapping. Here we are speaking only about the percentage that we adopted plus the major and major percentage of GAN, and we have adopted some percentage, and also you can still having percentage between percentage to get the exact law and find if this percentage is repeated in the past and can be used in the future. So please feel free to contact me for any explanation, or if you need any assistance with the percentage level. There is an advanced lessons for that. There is an advanced training if you are interested, and good luck. Thank you very much.